Welcome. Welcome to Avery's Kitchen. Nice to see you back. They had a sale at Whole Foods, so I was thinking maybe we could try to make some matcha chocolate together. All right. Now, I don't really know how to make chocolate from cocoa powder, but we're gonna find out. All right, so first thing on this list, I don't have double boiler. So we're gonna might have to burn some of the chocolate here. No, we're gonna burn some of the chocolate. Okay, so step one. I have this pot and I'm gonna put the cocoa butter in here instead of a double boiler, and we're gonna see how that goes. I kind of want to taste it. Alright, according to the recipe, once I've melted it, I'm supposed to add like my flavors. So I got matcha powder, and I have honey, and I have a little bit of vanilla extract. And then I guess I stick them in there. Listen, I referenced the recipe, but I physically can't follow recipes. So now personally, I like a lot of matcha. Oh, I think I'm supposed to be stirring this. As you can see, this is a high quality culinary kitchen, gourmet. Only the finest utensils for me. How long do I have to wait? The other issue too that we're gonna come across is the big chunks. They're gonna take a lot longer to melt, and that could be an issue. Also, I don't have a chocolate mold, so we're just gonna figure that one out as we go. Not sponsored. Let's come see how it's going. You like my zit? Beautiful. So it's melting, but the problem is I picked all the big chunks to put in there, so we're having to wait on those. And a little snack of actual chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna reference the recipe for how much vanilla. Sorry, I can't read. A tisp. Oh wait, I didn't measure the cocoa butter. To taste. This video is going to be entirely unhelpful because I don't use measurements. This is actually half a tisp. Half a tisp. Because I learned early on you don't want to use too much vanilla in your recipe. I really enjoy baking cakes, actually. Maybe we should have done that. Here we go. Oh Lord, there's plenty in here. I just never bothered to take the cap off. I have a great question. Leave it down in the comments. What kind of chaotic are you? You didn't see anything. Oh, we're almost all melted. I should probably use a whisk for this, don't you think? We also need to prepare our cooling sheet. Today we'll be using foil, the aluminum kind. I don't know where the foil is. Now, someone once told me that this side is the non-stick side. I don't know if that's true. This side here. I don't know if that's true. That's just what I've been told. Am I supposed to spray this with coconut oil? You take your baking pan and you do like this, and then now we're gonna spray coconut oil. And if you don't have that, you could use olive oil. I think that would be gross, but you could. All right, we've sprayed it. Now all of the cocoa butter is melted. For sweetener, I'm gonna be using this. It's Manuka honey. Actually, do we have regular honey? Just kidding. For sweetener, we're gonna be using local honey. And I don't like to measure, so just toss it in there, and hopefully it's good. Now I like a lot of matcha. So here we go. I think this is gonna be my new like pre-breakfast dessert. It's definitely gonna make my heart race with how much matcha I just put in there. We're gonna take a whisk, and we're gonna whisk it. Take a little peek. This is how we're looking. I'm thinking the goal is to get a little like matcha clumps out, but I do want to taste this before we go too far. Because what if it's bad? You know, that would not be good. We need more sweetener. You know, I actually really like salted chocolate, so I'm gonna add salt to this just to see what it does. Oh, that's not bad. I feel like maybe it could use just a touch of milk though. You know I can't do this properly, so we're just gonna use this mix. And eyeball it. It made it like a little lighter. It's better. It could be better. What if I put real chocolate chips into the chocolate? Is that weird? That's okay. I think, no, I want to add more. Just a little bit. I'm now out of milk. I have enough for one matcha latte. I could have dumped like a can of coconut milk in there and like save money. Not too bad. I would eat that. You know, this is acceptable. Actually, no, I take that back. Take that back after looking it. We're gonna add more sweetener. More milk, for sure. There's literally like half a tablespoon left in the carton. Okay, that's acceptable. I've decided I'm gonna lick this, make sure it's acceptable. That tastes like a matcha latte. I accept that. All right, here we go. Okay, but what if I put a couple actual chocolate chips in there? Just a couple, just for fun. Okay, I won't. There's a little corner that isn't taking, so just ignore that, just ignore that. And into the freezer we go. Oh boy. Oh, my hair got in there, okay. And okay, so now we'll be back. I'm a little tall, so I'll squat down. We'll be back in an hour. I don't know how long it takes, but I'll let you know. While we're waiting, I've never tried a dragon fruit before, so we're gonna do that now. Again, they were having a sale at Whole Foods. Is it worth it? I don't know. Let's find out. Whew. Don't try this at home. Whew. Do you eat it like an orange? I don't know, so. It's unexciting. It's like if a kiwi had no flavor. This ain't it, Chief. I just, like, it looks cool. It's aesthetic. But I'm not here for it. I'm still eating it though. I think because it obviously it has the texture of fruit, because it's fruit. I just like eating fruit. Maybe for dinner I'll have a smoothie since, you know. Okay. I'm not saying it's good, but that last bite was the best yet. It's like the more you eat it, the better tasting it gets, I think. What are the health benefits? Yeah, I just don't love it. I almost threw it across the room. That was a good bite. That bite tasted like sweat. Here we have it. And it's, we're gonna try some tonight. It's probably gonna be a mistake, but I want to. Now, I have had dinner. I had a smoothie and a kimchi grilled cheese and sausage. Links. I have no concept of calories on this, so let's see. Oh boy. Look at that wonderful straight line. I now realize the problem of using a knife on this. Yeah, that's not the move. I really want to eat all of this, but I know it'll be a mistake. Oh. Okay. It's not bad. It's a little icy because of the almond milk, but that's good. That is good. Okay. Okay. I would recommend. I'd really recommend that. That was good. Sorry I didn't give you any measurements. Good luck duplicating the recepe. Great success.